If you're creating content regularly, YouTube videos, blogs, social posts, but your free kit downloads feel random, this video is for you. I was in the same place. I had a free YouTube subscriber kit. I mentioned it everywhere, but I didn't have a repeatable structure for how to convert attention into downloads. So in this video, I'm going to demo exactly how I created a free kit conversion template using AI. How I tested it with my own YouTube subscriber kit and how you can adapt the same template for any niche. By the end, you will understand the process, not just the idea. Why this template exists. Before this template, my content workflow looked like this. I would create a video or post. I would randomly mention my free kit. Sometimes people downloaded it, sometimes nothing happened. The problem wasn't the kit. The problem was I didn't know what to say, when to say, and how to lead people there. That's when I decided instead of fixing every piece of content, I'll build one conversion template and reuse it everywhere. Step 1. Using ChatGPT to create the skeleton. The first thing I did was open ChatGPT not to ask for a finished template but for a structure. I prompted it with things like what are the logical steps for content to free kit download, what decisions does a viewer make before clicking a link, what should happen before, during, and after a CTA. What ChatGPT gave me wasn't perfect, but it was a clear skeleton. The entry point with content context, problem awareness, natural transition to the free kit, clear action step. I didn't copy this blindly, I treated it like a framework draft. Step 2. Refining the structure using AI threads and Gemini. Next, I took that rough structure and tested it across ChatGPT threads to stress test logic, Gemini to simplify and tighten language. This part was important because ChatGPT is great at structure. Gemini helped me make it precise and clean. I kept asking, does this step feel natural? Would I say this out loud in a video? Does this feel forced or smooth? Slowly, the template stopped sounding like a marketing and started sounding like how I actually talk to my audience. Step 3. Turning the template into a PPT. Once the structure was clear, I didn't keep it as text. I opened PowerPoint and turned the template into slides. One slide per step. Each slide explained what to do, why it matters, and how to apply it. This did two things. It forced clarity. If I couldn't explain it on a slide, it wasn't clear. It made the template reusable for myself and my audience. This PPT became the actual free kit conversion template. Step 4. Testing it with my own YouTube subscriber kit. Now comes the most important part. I tested it with my own business. I applied the template specifically to my YouTube subscriber kit. How I mention it inside videos, how I connect it to blog posts, how I position it in social media captions. Instead of guessing CTAs, I followed the same steps every time. That's when things clicked. Every piece of content had a purpose. The free kit felt like a natural next step. I wasn't reinventing my message every time. Step 5. Uploading it as a downloadable kit. Once I knew the template worked, I uploaded the PPT to my website as a downloadable free kit. This is important. I didn't just create a template for myself, I turned my internal system into an audience asset. Now my audience gets clarity, I get consistent lead generation, and the same template supports YouTube, blogs, and social posts. How you can use this to any niche. This isn't just for YouTubers. You can adapt this template if you're a digital product seller, you're running a newsletter, you're offering coaching, building a personal brand, growing an e-commerce or creator business. The free kit changes, the conversion structure stays the same. I've added the free kit conversion template link in the description. You can download it and adapt it to your own business. And if you're specifically growing on YouTube, my YouTube subscriber kit shows exactly how I apply this template in practice. Build once, reuse everywhere. That's the real leverage. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.